Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by SYED Abu Salem. 2 days back, that is on 11/7/2022, Honorable Supreme Court of India, 2 judges bench, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul and M.M. Sundaresh, while disposing the appeal, criminal appeal, in the case of Abu Salem versus State of Maharashtra in criminal appeal number 679 by 2015, held that as per the Extradition Act, as per the Committee of the Courts, Abu Salem has to be released after 25 years as per the extradition law, which the government of India executed with the country Portugal. So here 2 points are important. Number 1, application of the Extradition Act and respect for the international law. These 2 aspects have been emphasized besides the appeal. Of course, the appeal was not allowed. So besides the appeal, these 2 legal points are more important. That's why let us focus some time. First of all, let us know the background of this case. During the year 1993, on 12th March 1993, series of blasts within 11 minutes, 12 bomb blasts have taken place in Mumbai city, and as a result of which I think 257 people were killed and 713 were injured. This is the official account. Actually, the conspirators, you all know, so they hatched a plan in Mumbai and used Abu Salem, this is Abu Salem, as a stooge. Of course, he is a conspirator. A conspiracy case was registered against Abu Salem, and actually the conspiracy took place in Dubai. Right. So, incidentally, this Abu Salem and his girlfriend Monica Birdie, who was a film actress or a heroine, even she acted in our film Taj Mahal opposite to hero Srikanth. In 2001, both of them obtained fake passport from Kurnool city in Andhra Pradesh. We have got that connection also. The special branch people, they were suspended. So these people got fake passport and went to Portugal. So they were arrested in Lisbon, I think in the year 2002. So for the violation of passport law, Abu Salem and Monica Birdie, they were arrested on 18/9/2002, and till 10/11/2005 they were in Lisbon jail, or they were in Portugal. Later, the Deputy Prime Minister LK Advani, who was the then Deputy Prime Minister, he had signed almost an understanding or agreement as per the Extradition Act that Abu Salem will not be given life imprisonment, even though the case proved against him. He will not be subjected to death sentence. Number 2, more than 25 years sentence will not be given. He has given that assurance, and he was extradited. Abu Salem was extradited to India, maybe on 10/11/2005. From then onwards, he was here. In the meantime, of course, Monica Birdie, she was not an accused in the conspiracy. She was only held liable for the passport violation. Coming to India, she was given bail. Of course, she is alive, but she is not active. As far as Abu Salem is concerned, since 2015, he has been fighting for the appeal. So when the appeal matter has come before the court, the extradition law, the international law, all of them have come into surface once again. So please remember, what is extradition treaty? According to section 3 and 4 of the Indian Penal Code or the Special Act, Extradition Act 1962, if the other country is a reciprocating country, you can hand over the persons to them. Only condition is the person should be tried only for the offences alleged in the extradition notice and no other further future cases. This is one point. Second, the agreement is that he will be released after 25 years. Suppose there is another clause also. Somebody told me, I don't know whether it's correct or not. If it exceeds to 25 years, he can go to Portugal and he can suffer the punishment there. Of course, this is not at all relevant, but anyway, for administrative interest, academic interest, I am telling you. Right. Now, when the matter came before the appeal stage, the advocate on behalf of Abu Salem said, Your Honor, already he has been in jail for the past 20 years. Of course, 22 means almost, he was arrested in the year 2012, so therefore already 20 years have crossed and there is extradition treaty, so better to dispose the appeal as early as possible and to set him free. Of course, the appeal was not allowed. As far as the extradition treaty is concerned, yes, definitely you have to abide. That's why I used the Supreme Court used the word committee of the courts. Committee of the courts means actually respecting the judiciary of the other courts, respecting the judiciary or the Extradition Act of Portugal. Right? So therefore, the Honorable Supreme Court of India clearly stated that after 2030, that means after the period of 25 years are over, the period of 25 years will be over by 2030. Then within 1 month, the documents should be placed before the President of India by the state, so that the President of India can take some decision either under section 72 of the Constitution of India, or the governor can take action under 161 of the Constitution of India, or Government of Maharashtra, they themselves can remit sentences under section 432 or 433 of the CrPC. In the meanwhile, another litigation has come. So, actually, this man suffered jail from 2002 to 2005 in Lisbon. So, that period is also may be set off as the period undergone in this case. That is the request averment of the advocate, but Supreme Court did not accept, because what for he was kept in Lisbon, that is for passport violation, that is a separate law. This is a law relating to conspiracy, so that's a different offense, so therefore set off will not be granted. So therefore by 2030 he will be completing 25 years of innocence. So please remember, the government of India committed to Portugal that he would not undergo more than 25 years sentence and that he would not be executed under death sentence. Right. Of course, here the arguments on behalf of the advocates are also important. If the state thinks, yes, they can remit the sentence under 432, because section 432 CrPC gives enormous powers for the state to suspend or remit the sentences. Of course, we all know, as per Article 161, the so-called governor of a state, as per Article 72, the President of India, they are competent to give the pardon or remission. It is actually it is in their hands. So please remember, of course, the matter, the appeal was once again referred back to the state of Bombay High Court, stating that please dispose the appeal without taking into consideration about these extradition law or international law. Right? So very good judgment. Actually, 2 points. Number one, international law definitely has to be respected. That is as envisaged in Article 51 of the Constitution. At the same time, we discussed that President has got power under Article 72 of the Constitution, and state has got the power under 432 and 433 CrPC to remit the sentences. So these things, as per the committee of the courts, so definitely please do one of these things. If not, please send the file to the President of India, who will take necessary action. Because, so what I want to tell you finally, you have to respect the international law. When you go into a treaty, when you agree, when you give an assurance, on the government has given the assurance, therefore you have to abide by it. Even the court also allowed the same. Of course, after 30 years he may come out. In the meanwhile, Monica Bodi has already come out. So a very serious case, but nicely disposed by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So please read the judgment and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.